Hi everyone, welcome back to Bushido Forge. And now don't adjust your screens. I know it's not Christmas, but I dress like this for a reason. Today I'm opening up the engine of my Samurai, and for me it's like unwrapping presents. You never know what's inside and there's always a surprise. In a moment we will take the head off together and see what's going on inside the engine. But first, let me quickly explain why I'm doing such a major teardown now, especially after 2 tough months of bringing my Samurai back to life. Unfortunately, the engine is burning coolant quite a lot, and worse, it's been using oil too, so it's a major red flag that could cause a major damage and even assist engine if I keep driving. So we have to act now. I also checked the compression and it's worryingly low, around 60 psi instead of expected 175. So yeah, this engine needs attention. Okay, let's do it. Let me just move the camera so you can see it better. Okay, while I'm in here, I also want to tell you that I noticed that the exhaust manifold is cracked, so I will be replacing it. And I'm thinking of upgrading it to a header. We'll see, because it's much more expensive, but I think it's a good thing for a future. Yeah, it's supposed to give a little bit more power, better sound, better look. Oh, okay, the moment of truth. I mean, I'm prepared. I won't be surprised if I see quite a lot of damage, but I hope the head or the block is not cracked. Yeah, finger crossed. Okay. 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 I'm not an expert, but it doesn't look that bad, actually. Can't see any cracks. Yeah, it's not that bad. Let's take the gasket off. It doesn't look that bad, you know? It doesn't look that bad. Okay, that's it. You've seen it. As for me, it doesn't look that bad. I'm happy. But hey, what can I know? I'm not an expert. If you are, I'm putting a photo of a block and the head. If you if you can help, if you can tell just by looking on the pictures what can be problem, what could I replace, or just please write down in comments. I would appreciate. um, Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press the like button. If you want to have updates on my new videos, please subscribe and keep the samurai spirit alive.